So are we going to talk about it?
We don't have to.
Oh, I think we need to talk about it. What happened to your beautiful hand-carved 10-pound pot that you were so excited that you finally got to throw something this big? It's my first 10-pound pot. I'm so excited. It's cracked. And how many hours did you spend carving this 10-pound hand-thrown, hand-carved pot?
I don't know, like a couple.
And this crack that I see going from all the way around the bottom. Well, I was really excited to see what was in the kiln, and I wanted to see if everything survived in the kiln. And I got a little impatient and I decided to crack open the kiln just to see how everything looked. And it looked good, so then I just left it cracked open at over 300 degrees still. But when I came back to check on it 2 hours later, the big pot was cracked. Have we learned anything about patience in opening the kiln too quickly? I know. Do we have to learn everything the hard way? Yes, we do. What a shame.